Hello and welcome to the new series called Flutter Apps from Scratch, where we build a Flutter app from the very beginning. Since we are starting with a blank slate, you need no prior knowledge to follow along. By the end of this, you should have the tools and the resources you need to build your very own app. If you've been here before, or if you take a look at the other videos in my collection, you'll see that I often use a grocery list app as an example. So what better app to start with than the ultimate grocery list app? Our app will have a list of grocery items in the middle. Then at the top, we will have a text field. If you type in the text field, it will filter the list. If it's a new item that is not currently in the list, simply press the button to add it to the list. And then if you press and hold a grocery item, it will confirm that you want to delete the item and then delete it. We will store the data in both a local and remote database. We'll use state management, animations, sound effects. We'll have user authentication and so much more. If any of that doesn't make sense at the moment, don't stress, I'll explain it along the way. We will of course be using Flutter to build our app. If you're not familiar with it, Flutter works in conjunction with the Dart programming language for developing on multiple platforms, including iOS devices, Android devices, Windows, Mac, web, and more. And you only need a single code base to do it. So let me give you a simple example before we start our grocery app. Open up your browser and go to dartpad.dev. Remove everything in here except for the first line and the last line. We'll talk about void in a future video, so let's ignore that for now. Main, however, is required to run an application, and main is considered a function. Think of a function as a container that houses a group of instructions for your application. You can say, hey, run this container, and it will run everything that's inside of it. Let's see another example. We'll create another function just for fun. So if we were to run this function called say hi, it will say hello to everyone and then let everyone know that it's nice to see them. So let's put that in main up here. And we will run it. And there you go. Hello everyone, nice to see y'all. But obviously we don't need to do this right now. We can just put this straight inside main. And we'll even go with the traditional hello world to show this off. All right, hello world. So we're going to keep this first video short and sweet, but in the next video, we'll go ahead and start our application. I'll see you in that one.